Last time on the teaching series, How to Paint a Car, Complete Beginner to Pro Guide. Part 5, Primer Application. Gun Setup Air HVLP 1.7 to 2.0 tip 25 to 30 psi at cap 6 to 8 inch spray distance. Spray technique 50% overlap, even speed, parallel passes. Apply 2 to 3 coats. Let cure block sand with 400 to 600 grit. Part 6, Sealer optional but recommended. Sealer, locks and primer, creates uniform surface, improves color consistency. Spray 1 light medium coat, allow flash time per manufacturer. Part 7, Base Coat Color. Gun Setup 1.3 to 1.4 tip 25 psi, even fan pattern. Technique, spray test panel first, light tack coat first, follow with medium coats, allow proper flash time between coats, usually 2 to 3 coats. Common mistakes, spraying too heavy, not overlapping properly, spraying too far away. Part 8, Clear Coat. Clear adds depth, protection, UV resistance. Apply 2 to 3 wet coats, slightly slower passes, watch for runs. Orange peel happens when gun too far away, not enough material, air pressure incorrect. Part 9, Wet Sanding and Polishing. Wait 24 to 48 hours minimum. Wet sand with 1000 grit, 1500 grit, 2000 grit, 2500 to 3000 grit. Then polish with cutting compound, finishing polish. This is where the shine really happens.
Same dust on the mailbox, same boots by the back door, same two-lane whispering like it's heard this all before. Old Ford sitting in the driveway, mud dried up on the side, coffee in a camel thermos, first crank of the day we ride. Down here it's garage like glory, rust and chrome tail in a story, little VA heartbeat feeling 10 feet tall. Primer paint, tailgate dreams, hard work, kitchen to a set of ball tires, y'all. We turn wrenches, turning worries into sparks and smoke. Small garage, hot rod trucks, that's how we broke the mold. Friday night, same gravel, same crew at the dairy freeze, tail lights drawing halos over fields and honeybees, bench seat full of secrets, radio humming low, that old town's getting smaller in the rear view glow. Down here is garage like glory, rust and chrome tell a story, little V8 heartbeat feeling 10 feet tall. Primer paint, tailgate dreams, hard work, kitchen to a set of ball tires, y'all. We turn wrenches, turning worries into sparks.
Using electric paint guns. Key differences: thin paint slightly more, move slightly slower, smaller spray pattern, multiple lighter coats. Best for smaller vehicles, DIY environments. Painting a car isn't magic, it's patience, it's preparation, and it's repetition. Focus on prep more than paint, practice on panels before spraying your car, and take your time. Be sure to check out the vids used in this video. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what you're painting. I'll see you in the next build.